I have Trudy here, is that right?
That's right, love.
And is it Chris?
Yes.
And Trudy, you're here today, as I understand it, with Wendy. Is this Wendy?
Yes.
Now, Wendy, you're Trudy's mum.
That's correct.
Splendid. This case is about one person, Ashley.
That's right.
Who's not here. And effectively today, Trudy, you are suing your ex-partner, Chris, for back payment of his failed contribution to Ashley's life. You have an order from the Child Support Agency, the CSA, of roughly £7,500.
That's right.
You've decided to forego a significant amount of that and only seek the statutory maximum of this court of £5,000. And you simply say that you're entitled to that because Chris's contribution to Ashley has been minimal and he owes it to you. Chris, in reply, you say this is nonsense. Yes, there may be an order against you, but that's because every time you haven't paid regularly, immediately Trudy runs along to the CSA agency. And they haven't taken into account the extraordinary things that you've done for Ashley and that you've regularly paid for her. How long were you in a relationship with Chris?
About 10 years.
Was it marvellous all the time?
We had good times. I can't say we didn't have good times, and we had bad times as well.
Now, the happiest product of this relationship was your daughter.
Definitely.
And for the avoidance of any doubt, Ashley is a very extraordinary young woman. She's now 19.
She is.
Is that right, Grandma?
It is.
Proud of Ashley?
Absolutely.
To what extent, Chris, do you think the fact that Ashley is an extraordinary young woman, what's she doing at the moment?
She's doing a photography course in college and she's looking to go to university.
Do you think you've always provided for Ashley?
I'd like to think I have, yes.
You'd like to think you have. Well, I'd like to think I was 6'2" and looked like Brad Pitt. Sadly not. She's over there, your little girl.
I know.
Do you love her?
Very dearly.
Do you think that's enough?
No.
Now, there she is. At the time that you break up, you look upset, Trudy. It's OK. Why are you upset?
I'm just seeing pictures of her, really.
It's not easy being on your own and a single mum, right? At first, Chris was OK. And I say that. Now, I want to ask you about this, Chris. You used to pay fairly regularly, correct? An amount. How much were you paying at the beginning? Do you remember?
Not off the top of my head, but me and Trudy come to an agreement and I would pay on a weekly basis. You
would. Now, your job at the time, not to be clear about this, you've always been, as I understand it, a freelance driver, correct?
Yeah, self-employed.
The money stopped.
That's right.
When was that, please, Trudy?
Somewhere along the lines, he's just stopped being there for Ashley, basically.
Now, do you remember when that happened? Roughly.
He hasn't seen Ashley for about a year now.
You went to the Child Support Agency,
That's
correct? Right. How old was Ashley when you went to the CSA?
She was about 10 or 11.
In other words, not long after you split up?
Not long, really, because...
Well, what made you go to the Child Support Agency when everything was working fairly well?
I actually went to the Child Support Agency because Christopher stopped dropping money off, basically, for Ashley. He had a car on finance. He'd stopped paying because his car finance was due. Missed many payments.
That's the point. I see you standing there smiling. You deny that. You're shaking your head.
Yes, I do deny it.
Trudy has provided me with material which I have seen from the Child Support Agency, which ostensibly says that your contribution should have been roughly £48.47 per week.
That's right.
Now, that's roughly translated at under, when you look at the maths, at under £200 a month. Correct?
That's right.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.